Hello my friend, once again. Today I'm going to show you how to use Autoduck in Audacity. For those of you who don't know what is Autoduck is an effect that reduces the volume of one or more selected track. So this effect can be used to create a voiceover for a podcast, radio, or DJ set for automatic ramping of the background, which means automatic reducing of the background music. So let's go with it then. Let's fire up Audacity. First of all, we need the speaking part, a vocal or anything. So let's record some of it. Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use Autoduck in Audacity. So that's it. Okay, then we need some background music. Oops. So here is the most important thing to do. Let's just delete the thing that we don't need. Oh, sorry, it's too much. Okay, in order to do this, we need to bring up the background music above the vocal. So I'm going to drop this down, move down. So now we have the basic setup. So let's select the background music, then go to effect, go to Autoduck. I think this is okay for started. So oops, that's too fast, sorry. If you want to change the value, you can change according to your requirement. If the soundtrack is have a double volume over your vocals, so you can change a little bit more, like this, and then etc. Anything you want. As for now, let's go for the default value of Audacity at -12 decibel. And then just click OK. Okay, let's play the track and hear how it is without the effect. You cannot hear anything, right? So let's go to effect, Autoduck, and click OK. Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use Autoduck in Audacity. So there you have it, that's the effect. So thank you everyone, see you in the next video.